Many areas of the commodity complex have had quite a run since the beginning of 2014. From the floor of the CME Group is Alan Knuckman, Chief Market Strategist with Trading Advantage. Alan, let's take a look at natural gas. The futures were over $6 on Wednesday. We haven't been there in almost 4 to 5 years. So is it because of the abnormal weather we've been having, and do you expect that run to continue?
Well, it's a combination of factors, but you always have to remember as a trader that the market doesn't know high or low. Just because we've come a long ways doesn't mean it can't go a lot higher. 8 is the midpoint if you look at natural gas. 14 was a 2008 high. It's that $2 low. So we still have a lot more upside. But the thing to think about with weather here is that a lot of utilities have turned over to natural gas to generate electricity. So this could be a summer event if we have an unseasonably hot summer. So it's not just cold. There are a lot of things that can firm natural gas and keep this trend intact.
All right, let's go and take a look at gold. In December, you called that a nice bullish setup for GDX. The minor ETF, that particular ETF is up 21% on the year relative to a flat S&P. What are you looking at there? Do you expect that to continue, or are you looking to change your posture here?
No, I'm still very positive on gold. Gold achieved the $1,300 objective. Everybody was very negative on gold. You had bullish divergence with those lows and a double bottom there. So a lot of positive signs in the market. And GDX obviously outpaces gold itself a lot of times. The next upside target on gold is at $1,400. So we're getting close to that once again. That's from the $1,600 highs to the $1,200 lows. That's a midpoint resistance to keep an eye on the upside. But I think the wild card on this and the variable for a lot of commodities and a lot of asset reflation is the dollar. The dollar's been trading between 81.50 and 79.50 for 6 months. If you break to the downside, we could see a nice push and continued inflation in a lot of these commodities that have been beaten down for a long time.
All right, excellent. Thank you very much. For The Street in New York, I'm Jill Malandrino.